Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The image shows two benzene rings, each a 6-membered aromatic ring with alternating double bonds, directly connected to each other by a single C to C bond. Step 2. Apply IUPAC common nomenclature. When two benzene, phenyl, rings are joined by a single bond, the resulting compound is named biphenyl. The prefix bi indicates two identical units, and phenyl refers to the benzene-derived ring system. Step 3. Confirm. Biphenyl has the molecular formula C12H10, consisting of two phenyl groups bonded together. There are no substituents, no heteroatoms, and no fused rings, just two separate benzene rings connected at 1 carbon each. No other name, example, diphenyl is an older synonym, but biphenyl is the accepted IUPAC name, better fits this structure. Therefore, the correct answer is biphenyl. The correct answer is shown on screen.